Many organizations have put their data center through many migrations and consolidations, so servers that have migrated to new platforms, servers that have been migrated to increase capacity, and so on. And in doing so, they use copy tools and other tools that will change the metadata of the content. More commonly, they'll change the owner of the file from the actual owner to administrator. Take, for example, a 100 terabyte user share. So that's a typical client environment. If you analyze this with data profiling, what you may find is that upwards of 50% of the content is owned by an administrator. Not very helpful when you're trying to determine the disposition of the content, whether you want to migrate it to a different tier, you want to migrate it to an archive, you want to put it in encrypted content, or even purge some of that content. If it's all owned by an administrator, you don't really have a good profile of the content. The Catalyst product can take this data that's owned by admin and analyze it, and there's a reassignment capability that you can reassign the files that are owned by admin based on things like metadata properties, where it's located, the content or file name, things like that. You can look at it and analyze it in bulk and reassign the content and clean it up. You can also reassign the owner of it from admin to the department based on the location path, or where you extract a section of the path name into the file name. So you can do that and clean up that as well, or you can just tag the content based on metadata properties. So there's a number of different ways. These are the three common ones that you can easily clean up admin-owned data and assign it to the right owner, so that when you analyze it, you can see that content is assigned to the true owners or the true departments that would own that content. And that allows you to clean the data and determine the disposition of it much more effectively than having no idea who owns the content.